we'll guide you through how to set up Gmail two-step verification. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Gmail website. Make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. This will take you to your account settings. On the left side, you'll see a menu. Click on Security. Here, you'll find the Signing In to Google section. Look for two-step verification and click on it. You'll need to enter your password again for security reasons. Once you've done that, click Get Started. Now, you'll be prompted to set up your second verification step. By default, Google offers to send a code to your phone via text or call. Choose the method that works best for you and enter your phone number. Google will send you a code to verify that you own the number. Enter the code you receive and click Next. If the code is correct, you'll see a confirmation screen. Click Turn On to activate two-step verification. You can also add backup methods like a security key or Google prompts on your smartphone if you prefer. These give you more flexibility and security. Remember, using two-step verification adds an extra layer of protection to your account, significantly reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.